Hey everybody, Frank and Teskey here at MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. We're out on the beautiful Manasquan River to show you our Aviara 32 stern drive. This is equipped with the Ilmor 6.2 liter engines. We're going to do a quick walkthrough. We'll have some photos and videos in the listing. Out here on the swim platform, you'll see the tan sea deck that matches the interior. We do have a submersible swim platform underneath with a boarding ladder on the starboard side. This boat is optioned with a fantastic layout here in the transom. Hydraulic pop-up bar stool seats in the back. These do ratchet down if you want to make it into a sun pad. As you make your way into the cockpit, easy access to your lighting and a fantastic spot for fenders. Right above me is our large hardtop. We do have a sunshade above that Pete is going to deploy with lighting and our Klipsch sound system speakers above. Right here we have an ice tray, storage, and a large sink with bottle holder. Underneath the transom seating, we do have an engine compartment that is hydraulic with a push button from the helm. Storage underneath the port side seats. On this seat we have molded in for a cooler and an additional cooler right here. A modern layout here at the helm with 3 screens across. You have one screen dedicated to the Aviara itself, one Simrad screen for your navigation, and another screen for your Ilmors. Blacked out weather wrapped helm wheel with the Ilmor binnacles and the joystick right behind. Making our way up to the helm, you'll notice how deep this bow is. Wraparound seating here. We do have 8 cup holders, so plenty of space for drinks and entertaining. You can have a bow filler cushion in this section too. Again, my name is Frank and Teskey. Thank you for the time on this Aviara 32. This boat is located at Brick MarineMax. See you on the water.